हेलो लर्नर्स, माई सेल्फ परमिंदर कौर और आज मैं आपके साथ जून 2018 का PYQ डिस्कस कर रही हूँ। डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन फाइनल, फाइनली एंड फाइनलाइज स्टेटमेंट। लर्नर्स, जैसे कि आपको पता है कि जावा में दो तरह के मॉडिफायर होते हैं। वन इज एक्सेस मॉडिफायर एंड अनदर वन इज नॉन एक्सेस मॉडिफायर. Final is a non-access modifier which is applicable for class, methods, and variables. If a variable is declared as final, it becomes constant and one cannot reassign that variable. और अगर आप किसी मेथड के आगे फाइनल कीवर्ड लगा दो, then one cannot override that method in child class. If a class declared as final, one cannot extend that class. It means one cannot create child class for that class. Next is finally. Finally is a block always associated with try-catch block to maintain code. So finally keyword is used for cleanup activities. जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो कि मैंने सिंटेक्स में भी लिखा है that finally is used for cleanup code, but it is used for closing a file or closing a connection, but it is related with try block. A finally block of code always executes whether or not an exception has occurred. मीन्स फाइनली ब्लॉक में कुछ भी लिखा है वो एग्जीक्यूट होगा चाहे आपकी एक्सेप्शन अकर हो या ना हो. Learners, next is finalize. Finalize is a method which is always invoked by garbage collector just before destroying an object to perform cleanup activities. So always remember that it is always invoked by garbage collector. Now let us discuss the differentiation between final, finally and finalize. जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो मैंने ग्रीन कलर में लिखा है फाइनल एक कीवर्ड है, फाइनली एक ब्लॉक है एंड फाइनलाइज इज ए मेथड. So finally is a keyword which is used to put restrictions on class, method and variable. It means when you put final before a variable, that the variable value cannot be changed. Final class cannot be inherited. Means you cannot extend the class. And next is final method cannot be overridden. Finally is a block related to try block and used for cleanup activities. And finalize is a method. It is also used for cleanup activities, but it is related with objects. So I hope कि आपको ये वाला टॉपिक क्लियर हो गया है. थैंक यू.